Cyber finance, a new way to crypto. If you've noticed, their Twitter account was a bit changed for some time. Their profile photo was not there and their username changed a bit, but now they are back. And they are back with also a very important news. The news is Cyber Finance Wallet has been released. We are happy to announce the release of one of our most important products, CFI Wallet, Cyber Finance Wallet. Find more information on our Telegram. We're going to go to Telegram, so I'll show you how to create the wallet. Most likely will it work like MinFi. It is going to be very important because it is an in-app wallet, an integrated wallet with Cyber Finance, and is definitely going to serve a role in terms of the airdrop, maybe even storage. Let's check some FAQs, frequently asked questions, about the app so that we can have a basic background knowledge. So is the wallet available to the public? We are currently running a beta test for our wallet and are gradually granting access to more users. So do not just send any kind of tokens there, just be patient. Can I receive the airdrop in the wallet? Not yet. Airdrops will be distributed after the token generation event, that is after the listing, not before the listing. The wallet is still in beta testing, so please do not send anything. There's really no need. Just be patient. Can I claim my rewards from the contest? Reward distribution will begin after the official public release of the wallet. If you know, they do events, so they share some thousands of dollars sometimes among the winners. The wallet is also going to be serving in use for the reward distribution, but only after the beta testing is over. Can I delete accounts within the wallet? This feature will be available in further updates, not yet available. What is the purpose of this wallet and why can't I connect my existing wallet like Tonkeeper or others? Our wallet is designed to offer several advantages over other wallets once it's out of beta. Multi-chain support of all EVM wallets and easily integrate with non-EVM networks. So they are going to be for both EVM and non-EVM. That's Ethereum Virtual Machine. That's what the abbreviation stands for. Simplified cryptocurrency deposits, easily deposit crypto from various networks, gas fee transaction, enjoy transactions without gas fees, and during the beta testing phase, you can create a new non-custodial wallet or import your existing EVM compatible wallet. Is there going to be any need to deposit to be required to be eligible for the airdrop that's in the wallet? They said no. You don't need to deposit funds to qualify for the airdrop. You can deposit and test the wallet's functionality if you wish. Now, I'm just telling you not to deposit just for safety measures. If you feel like, feel free to. Will the wallet support CFI staking? We will announce all wallet features, including staking options for CFI, through our official news channel. You can read this out yourself by just clicking on that link you saw in the post to take you to the place where you can now click for FAQs. Make sure to check it out if you have any more questions. Go to your Telegram, open the app. Same interface, nothing has changed in terms of the main interface, main core of the app. But what has changed is the wallet. So look down, you see wallet at your far right, the one with the bag of money logo. Once you click there, it says welcome to the wallet. It's as simple as this. Create a new wallet. Once you click on create a new wallet, there you have it. If you want to add crypto, you can. If you want to send, you can. If you want to swap, you also can. Not all the features are available due to it being beta testing. So if you want to add crypto, that's deposit. So you just have to copy your own address. You can see your address at the top too, and your monetary value will show. If you add some crypto, the token is going to show under this seed phrase. Now the C phrase is for if you want to see your secret recovery phrase and then write it down. So make sure to do so too. But that's it for this video. This is how you create your CFI wallet. Before I leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.